Hi guys, let's eat. This is my dinner. It's ampalaya and okra with egg and lumpia with ketchup. Yes. Let's eat. Samahan niyo akong kumain. Yeah, this is my dinner. So good.